Hey troops, welcome to the channel. Well, today we're gonna see this Baler. How deadly a Maren could be. This thing is actually super deadly. And this thing is so deadly, like you wouldn't even believe it. Like, yeah, you can even see it deadly. I can't even look at it deadly. Like, have a look at it deadly. Here's your ram. I have that thing we can't touch up.
Little good boy. Good boy.
This thing is deadly. This thing is actually dead. It's pretty deadly. This is a beauty. That's, yeah, I can move that really quick. I'm gonna just get back here to really see.